Gone down the drainage, so we have pumped a lot of foam to make it so these are the people that these are the main this is the chairman of the tanker driver. Pedro. This is Pedro. The other one is the chairman of what the driver. Oh yeah. It's about 7 o'clock, 6:37. It's time to take charge.
Well, I can see that you are already doing a good job, but the primary concern lives and property. I say because this issue of tanker with food drop, especially the it's a very terrible one.
What we want to do is with them, the effort they have made on our own side, want to see whether we can change the pump.
Huh? Yes.
Therefore, the state government has made through the special duties. Want to change the pumping machine or to double it to fast.
Pumping machine for
to transload the product for safety. Where's
the pumping machine?
It's going on now. It's going on now, but it's slowing down. So we want to make it double.
Get the pumping machine?
We were about to do that before you came in.
We have ordered for another one.
Yeah.
A bigger pumping machine. So that you can, in less than 30 minutes, we will all be done with this thing.
Okay, please, you know that the sun is also coming up, and then it's going to get hot.
The fire service they will damp again now. They will damp again.
Okay.
What's the problem?
What about NEPA? Have you notified them so they cut the lights in case of spark? Because I can see overhead wires going this way.
Your woman did it now. They have called them, of course.
Okay, they've called them, they've cut power. Okay. But you are sure that with the efforts that you have put on ground now, there's not going to be fire outbreak here?
Yes.
With the efforts you have put on ground? Okay, I commend you for your timely intervention.
The interesting thing is that the state fire service, if you look, the federal fire service is here.
Yes.
The 6th division, Nigerian Army Fire Service truck is here.
It's also here.
And this fire service, the trucks are looking very new enough to arrest the situation. So long as they are pumping foam into the drainage, it's going to neutralize any volume of fuel that have entered into the drainage. So we believe God.
The quantity of fuel
is pumping out now.
With the quantity of fuel in the truck, is this not 33,000 liters? Except
it's about 45.
It's about 45.
45,000 liters.
Well, the truck that is taking is also 45.
So what I'm thinking is the quantity of fuel already in the drainage system.
The truck, what has entered?
Yes. They pumped a lot of foam inside it. The state fire service had to bring foam.
Okay.
We brought the foam to give the military. We also give the federal fire service.
Okay.
So supported them with diesel and all the rest. We are working hand in hand with them. So we have our chief fire officer that is on ground here, and some firemen are on ground, which are working hand with the 2 firemen. But you can see now they want to dump it again now.
We don't know what will happen.
But because of the government that we're into, is the government of the people. It's the government that everybody likes. And that is why you can see how things are going peacefully. Things are going peacefully. We are in peace in Rivers State today because of the kind of governor that we have, that God has given to the Rivers people. And that is why you can see everything is peacefully. Because when this thing happened here, it's not up to 20 minutes this morning that we call the fire service, the state fire service, special to my commissioner of special duty. We will call him and he called the fire service and they came less than 15-20 minutes. And since then, we also call the Ajib fire service, also call the Shell fire service, also call the military, Nigerian Army Force, and they all came. And you can see they're all here. They're all here working, trying to do their job like the way God wants it. And we want to thank our governor making all these things available. If it's not our governor that makes things available today, we don't know what could have happened. We don't know what could have happened, but we thank Almighty God. And at the same time, we also get our chairman, the Chief Ambassador Chidoke Ihunwo, which is the local government chairman. He's also here. When we get to our commissioner, and commissioner said the state chief of staff of Rivers State House of chief of staff of government house, I've also told him to start coming faster, and they have done it. They've done it well, and we are here. You can see there's nothing is happening. Everywhere is peacefully. We are safe. We are all safe. My name is Chief Bekwele Tiger, the leader of Simplify Movement in Ward 13, and that is why we make it so necessary to be here to make sure my people are safe. Thank you.
Jonah Hope, Assistant Superintendent of Fire from the Federal Fire Service. We responded after we had an emergency call at the junction here, Rumibo Junction. We were able to tackle the situation on ground with the aid of our foam concentrate. We were able to spread it down, to downsize it, and sprinkle it on the tanker to avoid fire igniting. That's the situation on ground. So for now, they are transloading as our men are still downsizing and wetting all the environment to avoid fire ignite. So, and also we use our foam concentrate also down the drainage, put it down the drainage to avoid the diesel ignite wherever it's going. As it's spreading, the foam concentrate is helping to neutralize the activeness of the fuel.
So how safe are the shop owners and vicinity around? Like, start their shops
for now, I think they are safe, but I think it's advisable for them to leave any activity around this vicinity for now until tomorrow when everything goes down. Thank you. Able to turn out on time, and we were able to curtail the situation. Presently now, we've damped down with the foam concentrate and they are transloading to another tanker. So we are still waiting. After transloading, I think you need a crane to lift it up. So we are always on ground. We are ever ready and available to do the downsizing.